Ito tsaka ito, half brother, half sister, same tatay.
Line breed.
Same tatay.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up.
Magandang araw sa inyo. Ako po si Boy Gaa. Ang tawag ko sa loob ko, Boy Gaa Lop lang. Ganun lang. Naglalaro ako sa PFC, NHBC, FPR, tsaka dating CPRC ngayon na nawala na yung club na yun. Tapos CPRC, FPR, yan ang nilalaro ko ngayon. Ngayon sa NHBC na itong huling South. Nag second place, Catbalogan yung Ibon. Kinarga ko ng Tacloban hanggang naikarga ko ng Tacloban. Ito yung tinatawag ko si Kuntil. Yan ha. Ito ang magulang ng tatay ng second place, Catbalogan, itong nakaraang south ng NHBC. Yung nanay, ayun no. Ito yung nanay ng nanay nung second place, Catbalogan ng NHBC last. Itong nakaraang south. Ano to? Wegen Milucci ng kaibigan kong si Kagawad Renante Cruz. Shower out, Renante Cruz.
I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'ma show you all.
Ang sistema ko lang sa pag-iibon hindi mo naman dapat likutin na yan eh. Unang-una kailangan may bloodline ka. Kasi pag walang, kumbaga sa akin, para sa akin lang, kasi iba-iba naman diskarte yan eh. Para sa akin, yung bloodline at sistema, mag-asawa yun. Para sa akin yan kailangan palaging tandem yun. Pag nawala isa ron, kahit may bloodline ka, may hirapan ka. O may bloodline ka, wala ka naman sistema, para sa akin, parang mahirap din. Ngayon kung meron kang dalawang yun, para sa akin, malaki chance para tumira. Maliban lang kung madisgrasya ibon, kasi minsan, hindi maiwasan pag lumipad ng ibon, din natin alam mo yung nangyayari. Pag halimbawa, kahit magaling na yung mga pinanggalingan, pinakawala ng club, marami silang dadaanan bago makauwi. Minsan nag-iibang temperatura ng dinadaan nila, may umuulan, minsan nandyan nga yung lambat, minsan may falcon, minsan may sniper. Hindi natin masabi, kaya kinakailangan din, samahan ka rin ng swerte. Kung para sa iyo naman yan, kahit anong hadla, kung para sa iyo yan eh, yun ang sa akin. Pag hindi para sa iyo, ulitin mo sa susunod, lipad ka uli. As long na para sa akin, nag-i-enjoy ako manalo matalo kasi hobby ko 'to, mahal ko tong sport na 'to eh. Manalo matalo, masaya ako rito sa paglalaro na 'to. Kahit para sa akin, halimbawa, na manalo man ako, di okay. Matalo man ako, di okay. At least, yung nag-i-enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko. Kasi pag nag-i-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo, para sa akin, hindi ka naman mainip eh. Kung para manalo ka, di para sa'yo mananalo, darating din yun. Huwag ka lang susuko sa ginagawa mo. Darating at darating din yung panalo. Ganun lang naman yun para sa akin.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta